Here we go, 1968 Mustang convertible. Has a 302 automatic, power top, the deluxe wheels, new paint, new exhaust, new top, turn signal hood, aluminum radiator, power brakes, new battery, horns are new. Nice interior, done in white. Trunk's all nice, clean. This is a beautiful car. Sits nice, drives nice. Here's the car with the top down. Notice the top frame's all been powder coated, all new screws, bolts, accessories. Look at that, all powder coated. Nice looking convertible, 1968 convertible. Power top, power disc brakes, rebuilt 302, automatic, turn signal hood, deluxe styled wheels, dual exhaust. Just a little beautiful car. I'll walk around and show you all that up close. Base coat, clear coat paint. Body is beautiful. All new chrome. All the stainless has been polished, new windshield. Little wave in that fender there. But overall, she's one beautiful car with a lot of money spent on it. Have any questions, give us a ring. California Classics and Collectibles.